I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select Spectra. Fetch it. Then go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Submit it. Now go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, it is important to assign a unique value, such as a form ID, every time a form is submitted. This will help ensure that each submission is properly identified and processed. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Set a unique key. Set an action. Search and select Slack. Give here an access token. So please visit Slack console. Create an app. From scratch. Give here the app name and workspace. Now click on Create App. Click on OAuth and Permissions. Scroll down and under the User Token scope, add an OAuth scopes. Scroll up and click on Install to Workspace. Allow. Copy the user OAuth token and paste it here. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Select Channels list. Now choose your desired fields. Under Actions, you can add attachments by checking the box. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your form and fill it up. Submit it. The form has been submitted successfully. Now go to the Slack site. And you can see the data came successfully in the Slack. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for watching.